If you want a programming pseudocode, then Kimi can help you generate it out as well. So let's say, for example, you say, I need a programming code pseudocode where I can ask the user for 2 inputs of numbers, and then based on choice, the output should display addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So I'm just going to go ahead and then type this in. So now I have some spelling errors, but I'm not going to care. And now it says here below is a pseudocode for a simple calculator program that takes 2 numbers as input from the user and then performs an addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division based on user choice. And then you can see that this is what you have. I simply got a begin, a print right here, read, and then print, read right here, and then I got a simple pseudocode right here for my program. And that is how you can generate out pseudocodes from descriptions as well inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.